Welcome back guys, this is question 6.3 and the statement of this question is the daily amount of coffee in liters dispensed by a machine located in an airport lobby is a random variable x having a continuous uniform distribution with a equal to 7 and b equal to 10. Means it is like here a is 7, b is 10, okay, and this is like here. Find the probability that on a given day the amount of coffee dispensed by this machine will be A at most 8.8 liters, B more than 7.4 liters but less than 9.5 liters, and C at least 8.5 liters. Okay, so we have to find that what are the required quantities. A, we have to find the probability that the coffee dispensed by this machine will be, which is, let me represent it with x, is at most 8.8 liters, means less than or equal to 8.8. okay, B is more than 7.5 liters, means x is greater than 7.5 liters and less than 9.5 liters. Okay, and C is what? At least 8.5 liters, means P of x greater or equal to 8.5 liters. Okay, so we have also solved a question like this one in our previous video, which was 6.2, and we have used two methods. The first method was something which has used the f of x, which was what? Which was 1 over b minus a, which is here 10 minus 7, because b is 10, a is 7, so it would be 1 by 3, means the probability or f of x it has is 1 by 3. But here we have different quantities, and the first one is 8.8, so the higher limit here is 8.8 while the lower limit here is 7. Okay, so therefore now solving it, let me use this color. So if I have here this 8.8, okay, so what is this? We have to find the probability of this area, okay, while the overall area is here. Okay, so in all of this area, finding this area, what do we have to do? We have to multiply this width with this height, so it would be 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. Okay, or it can be the similar one in the numerator and the denominator, because the height of both of them will be the similar ones, so numerator and denominator will cancel out, so therefore we have to rely upon these lengths. Okay, so therefore this is the length we want to find the probability of. So 8.8 minus 7 divided by 10 minus 7. Okay, so it would be what? It would be 1.8 divided by 3. Okay, so this is basically the answer of part A of my question, and this is what? This is 0.6. Okay, this is for part A. For part B, we have to use what? Let me use this green color. Okay, so here we have the lower limit given and the higher limit given is as well. So the lower limit here is 7.4, so let me have here 7.4, and this is 9.5. okay, so this is the area, okay, which we want to find the probability of, while the overall area is again in this bluish color. So therefore having here this area, so it would be 9.5 minus 7.4 divided by again the overall, which is 10 minus 7. Okay, so it would be what? It would be 7 and 2.1 divided by 3, so it would be 0.7, and that is basically the solution of part B. In part C, we have to find the probability that x is greater or equal to 8.5. So let me use another color for it, and let me have here this red color. Okay, so now 8.5 is given, so 8.5 is, let me have here this 8.5, and it should be greater than this, so it is now here. So we have to find out the probability of this area as compared with this overall area which is here given in this blue. So therefore it would be 10 minus 8.5, which is the higher value minus this lower value, divided by 10 minus 7. Okay, so it would be what? It would be 1.5 divided by 3, so it would be 0.5, and that is basically the solution of part C of my question. Okay, there is also another method which is based upon this f of x, which we have solved in our previous method as well as the method number 1, but this was based on, all of these are based upon the method number 2 as we have done in our question 6.2. so that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.